Adina Sampson here at BU. Now something is coming. We've been saying that for a long time and it's finally here, okay? Less than 30 days away, April 15th, we are launching our BU Social. Now you know our number one product is you. Everything we do here is to help you monetize your business and or brand and or passion. It is about you. So you want to mark your calendars because we are going to unveil what this is March 22nd here at our BU Expo. Whether you are in person or joining us online for our Google Plus live stream, which we did last time, we'll be doing this again. You want to be here, you don't want to miss out. Again, we've been talking about giving you a platform and providing you with an audience, and that's exactly what BU Social does. A social network and marketing platform personalized to you and your business. Whether you are a real estate agent, whether you are a speaker, a coach, a radio show host, whether you've got hard product, whether that be your leggings or your lockets, you know who you are. You're going to love this, absolutely, hands down. This is a platform that normally would cost thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, and we are bringing it to you for literally nothing. So let me give you a couple bullet points here. Number one, it's gonna help you attract more customers and clients and help you monetize your social influence. You will be able to share content on over 300 social media sites simultaneously, and the links link back to your marketing page directly. So this is your own online marketing website, okay? Personalized website. Other features include lead capture, event scheduling, custom ads, file sharing, reviews, and so much more. Again, this is just a quick little snippet. You're gonna learn more about this when we unveil this on March 22nd. Current members and anyone who joins the movement before April 15th will receive the BU Social platform for free. What does that mean? Meaning we will actually waive your $97, that's right, only $97 activation fee for free. So that's amazing. Again, second to none. This is full product value. So don't forget, something is coming. We're excited about it. Mark your calendars again for March 22nd so you can hear all about it in person or online. And again, April 15th. So you're in, you'll receive it, all of your junior and senior partner members. You're gonna get this for free, and anybody you know, which I know, who do you know that could use this? Everybody can use this, whether you're a man, you're a woman, whatever your business is, hands down, awesome. BU Social, something's coming. We'll see you soon.